Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to add a logo slider in Squarespace. Let's get started. The logo slider is a great way to showcase brands, clients, or partners on your website. First, head over to the Common Ninja website. From the widgets collection, select the logo slider widget. Once you're on the widget page, click Create to open the editor. Here in the editor, you can upload your logos, customize the design, adjust the look and feel, and set up the slider speed and style. Once you're happy with the setup, click Save Changes. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to quickly register. It's free. Now, go back to your Common Ninja dashboard. You'll see the widget you just created. Click on Add to Website, copy the embed code that appears, and close the window. You can always return later to edit or update the widget whenever you want. Next, open your Squarespace website editor. Keep in mind that adding code blocks is available only on Squarespace Premium plans. In the editor, navigate to the page where you want the logo slider to appear. Click Edit, then click Add Block. From the block options, choose Code. Paste the embed code from Common Ninja into the box. Click outside the box to close it, and you'll see the widget preview right away. Finally, click Save to apply the changes. And that's it. Now your logo slider is live on your Squarespace site, giving it a more polished and professional look. Thank you for watching.